very well might be the last time. No, it is the last time I'm ever going in that office. We quit. That's it. I think that engine is cooked, dude. Doesn't matter anyway, because the boat trailer that I used to have for it, stolen. So now I've got a useless motor and a useless boat. Sometimes you lose. And it's not a loss, it's a lesson. A tough lesson. Gotta bring Petey Boy back his paddleboard here, because it's not mine. And to be honest, I don't really want it. I do not need a paddleboard, nor do I really like them. I prefer things that have engines in them. Maybe a kayak or a canoe or something, but paddleboard, don't need it. Getting these errands done, we gotta go to Service Ontario and get rid of my old car plates, my car that I blew up. Wish I got to sell that thing, but we blew it up. And then we go get oil change, go clean this bad girl up, and then we have a little chat about the future here. It's super smoky in Canada where I live because the amount of forest fires that are on right now, it's really bad. The air quality is terrible. Makes me sad that every year now, before as a child, like growing up in Canada as a kid, never had those issues, man. And then now it's every summer there's a forest fire. Gotta ask these oil change people if they have the specific oil I need. Hey,
Hello,
hi. Would you guys happen to have the Valvoline high mileage 10W30 synthetic in stock here?
Not the high mileage. We don't have, we just have
The 10?
Yeah, we have 1030, but okay, but yeah, we have 1030 regular, we have 1030 synthetic.
Okay. I might just go with the 1030 regular then, you guys. I just know that the high mileage offers that little bit extra.
Yeah, the high mileage, yeah, but it's better, if you want high mileage, you might as well just get the synthetic because it's like, it's just better.
Right,
So,
right.
I like the oil, obviously.
Yeah.
Put it like in a bag if you want to.
That'd be
keep
sick,
it.
yeah. Cool, perfect. Okay, well in that case, I'll pull around then.
Okay, perfect.
All right, cheers, thank you so much.
No problem. So it's just like, you can see it's like really moist.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then that's the oil filter, it's like draining out right now, that's why it's wet, but like, it's above it. Like above there, that's like where it's like the most wet.
The oil pan itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it could be a gasket.
Gasket, yeah.
Yeah, and it's like, you know, it's old, but.
Yep.
Sorry.
All right.
Oh, hang in.
Yeah, that's right.
There's like 0.2 left. Did you want to keep it just
Absolutely,
in case?
I do.
There
Yeah,
you go.
thank you.
No
I know
problem.
she's leaking, so I'll need
That's
it.
all right. No, we might as well.
Thank you so much, guys.
No problem. Safe travels.
Thank you, thank you.
It'll just be two right there.
Awesome.
Great trip.
Thank you. What nice people, man. Ah, it's great. Oh yeah, check out that oil pressure, baby. Focus. Getting stuff done. Costing me $134 though, so please subscribe. I know you guys won't actually be able to tell in comparison before, but when I would start it up, she didn't really like idle. Like it would just, it sounded like it was skipping a little, like it was misfiring the tiniest bit or whatever, but now It's so good. It's just dead smooth. Yeah, there's, before I could feel like this ever slight rumble, because this is the engine right here underneath this, and I could feel the slightest like almost a misfire from one of the cylinders. Oh yeah, this thing's just purring nice now. I'm happy. Little pro tip I taught myself in college: if you're stressed, anxious, just feeling like you're forgetting everything over and over again, lists. Oh my God, lists. It feels so good to check things off, and it also just takes the weight of the mental aspect where it's not on your brain anymore, it's on a piece of paper and you don't have to think about it, you can just look at it. Makes everything so much better.
Authorizing.
You get all that black, gross brake dust out of there. I also want the blue off the tires. Get all the mold off that. Alright, that didn't really do anything. I thought I was going to blast all the brake dust off and get that blue off, but it didn't. So because I'm basically unemployed now, I had to scheme a couple of things. Sold, 60 bucks. Sold, $150. So now we got some gas monies for the van. Yay. Just gonna keep selling everything I own until we have enough money to travel. Well, we do have enough money to travel. It's just now we have more money, and who doesn't like more money? Pretty sick, right? So I know we've had a few yap sessions in this video here, but I really wanted to end this video off at this point here. Yes, I just quit my 9-to-5 corporate job to pursue YouTube and van life in full time. And here's the reason why. Essentially, to give you a little bit of a background, I've been doing YouTube. This is my 4th YouTube channel. I've been doing this since I was like 12 years old. I love making YouTube videos. I don't know what it is, but for whatever reason, I enjoy editing, I enjoy filming, I enjoy creating, you know, different videos to produce since I was a kid. I'm now doing this, I'm pursuing this van life thing, I'm going on this great adventure across Canada and, you know, filming the whole thing to document for, you know, my future family and all this stuff, so I can, you know, hey grandkids, check out this video that Papa used to do, you know, and back when cars had wheels and stuff like that. Anyway, we're getting off topic. 12-year-old Quentin would be very proud of current Quentin pursuing this crazy idea of, you know, being a YouTuber and also taking this old van across the country for essentially no reason other than I've been working since I dropped out of college when I was 20 years old. I've been working 9-to-5 jobs, minimum wage jobs for the last 7 years of my life. And essentially nothing about my life has been very exciting. And I just don't feel as if I've had much purpose or, you know, much motivation every day waking up to go and do some crappy 9-to-5, barely above minimum wage job that I'm not passionate about. You know, YouTube I'm passionate about. I used to use YouTube. I consume a ton of YouTube. I watch YouTube daily. Even more than enjoying consuming YouTube, I enjoy making YouTube videos, because when I was a kid and, you know, things either weren't good with me or, you know, the situation at home wasn't great or anything like that, I used to use YouTube videos instead of therapy, which I probably should pursue at some point in the future here. I used to use YouTube videos to escape. You know, I would go and I'd find my favorite creators, and for that 20 minutes to half an hour, 40 minutes, 1 hour, whatever it was, I would escape my reality through YouTube and enjoy for that brief moment in time, forget about all the bad things that were going on in my life, and just enjoy a YouTube video that somebody put a lot of effort and time into to create, to put out there for people to watch. That's why I have to do this. You know, I have to pursue this dream, and you need to pursue your dream, because deep down, a long time ago, there was that inner child in you that wanted you to do something. You know, I finally have come to the age where I'm tired of working for someone else, you know, building someone else's dream, not pursuing the thing that I want to fulfill in my life, which is my passion. I know that deep down, younger Quint wants him to be a YouTuber and put out videos for people to watch my video, watch my 20 to 30 minutes and escape on an adventure coming with me, and forget about your situation at home or whatever bad things that are happening in your life. I want to be able to extend that out now to you, because I know what YouTube did for me way back in the day, and what it provided me, and the happiness and joy it gave me then. And I now know the value now of creating a video that provides that escape for somebody else. More of the story is, stop making excuses to not pursue something that your inner child would have wanted you to do. I've now found a niche of something that I really enjoy doing, you know, driving, being the conductor of, you know, airplanes or cars or motorcycles, whatever it is. I enjoy that, but deep down my passion is to make YouTube videos for people. At the end of the day, as you grow older, you're either going to live in that fear, or you're going to accomplish whatever dream that you set out as a kid. And whatever that kid wanted you to do, that's what you need to do. And that's my message. That's it. We're now, I'm nervous, I'm scared, but I am so excited. I am way beyond, like, I'm jumping out of my skin at this point, knowing that I never have to come back to this office job ever again. And I now get to pursue, thanks to you guys, you know, my passion of creating and pursuing a pretty cool lifestyle. And I can't wait to make stories and make my life more interesting, because the last 7 years of my life working, you know, job to job to job, gaining confidence in those jobs, but not gaining fulfillment from those jobs. I'm too excited to get this all going. So thank you guys so much. You know, I appreciate each and every single one of you subscribing and liking and commenting on the videos, and even just those who sit in the background and watch. It means a lot. So this is it. Now we attempt to take this thing across the country. So stay tuned for that, guys. We got this rebuild coming up, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Peace. Chase your dreams, just chase them.